Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level on your headphones OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro with using your iOS device. Basically, you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to create a widget. So press and hold an empty space, then click plus, then scroll down and click on batteries. Now choose the best one widget for you. Let's say it's okay for me, then click add widget. And here we go, we can check a battery level. And the second option, and better options for me, is to use an application. So just open it. And right here we can check a battery level of our earbuds and the charging case. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!